Hi, ma'am.
Hello, please come in. Sure.
Good afternoon, ma'am. So wonderful to see you here today. Could you please introduce yourself to all of us?
Good afternoon. I'm Rishina Chetri and I'm currently working for Casino Fortuna, and this is a new venture.
So, ma'am, how did you get to know about Ramji Solar? What was your first experience? When did you visit the store for the first time? Could you share your experience with us?
Actually, I saw it in FB, Facebook, and it was being inaugurated. It was written there, and I was just anticipating for the inauguration. But when I went to Westbourne Mall, it had already been inaugurated. I was quite late. Then I just saw it was in an initial stage. I saw the fascinating jewelry, that collection, and I just happened to meet Mr. Kamalji there. And I didn't know he was really the proprietor there, but I was surprised. He was such a humble person, and he gave me a warm welcome. And I just introduced myself, and I just said I'm so and so, and I just wanted to visit. I was eager rather to visit his shop, and he just showed me the other side also, and he said, "Madam, कि यहाँ पे silver jewelry भी upcoming है, silver items भी coming up. We are just coming up with," he said. And he said, ठीक है, मुझे भी कुछ खरीदना है बोल के. I was also very excited because silver का यहाँ पे गैंगटॉक पे, सिक्किम पे बहुत ही कम है. And you know, I am very much interested in jewelry, fashion jewelry हो या any kind of, and I'm very, you know, I'm fascinated about any kind of the gold and diamond imitation हो जो भी. And I'm fond of stones, you know, imported stones. And I just asked him कि आपका imported भी है आपका collection, तो he just told me yes madam, after 2 or 3 months, maybe during June, July or March, April, he'll be inaugurating the silver one also, the new store also. So I was rather happy, and I told all my friends, you know, I shared with all my friends कि आ जाओ करके मेरा group में. तो then I went, and इस Facebook का द्वारा ही मैंने इसको ये देखा है.
Nice, amazing. आपका first purchase क्या था? If you could share the story and how it has been a memorable experience.
अच्छा, गैंगटॉक में गोल्ड शॉप का तो कमी नहीं है. तो first I gave a second thought. First I thought I'll buy a diamond, but I went to the silver shop. And I bought a few jewelry for my mom, and my mom is already 60 plus, and she's a very decent lady. So I just saw the items there, and it was, you know, they had the collection of Curo shop जैसा एक collection.
Vintage collection.
Vintage collection, exactly the right word. So she also just loves the vintage collection, and I bought, you know, the set of one ruby stone का एक था वो ring. It was beautiful, and to match with that, actually set नहीं था, to match with that I bought a, you know, silver ruby का bracelet, and I matched a top for her, and she just loved it, you know. And recently we had a wedding also. She wore
It's beautiful.
Yeah, and I bought that for myself only, but I thought of giving it to my mom. So I gave it to her, and again second set मैंने फिर लिया जाके दूसरे कलर में. And they have this lovely collection of stones also there. So that was my first purchase. क्योंकि gold तो everywhere world में आपको मिल जाता है. तो gold का तो इंडिया में तो कमी नहीं है, design, wise and everything. But silver का भी collection huge है उसका. Tremendous collection है उसके पास.
Yeah, ma'am. So since you were talking about your love for jewelry, gold, diamonds, silver and precious stones, could you also let us know how, you know, you love either traditional jewelry, the traditional sets which our mothers and grandmothers used to wear, or do you like sleek fashion gold jewelry that is in trend nowadays?
I would say, to my opinion, the traditional jewelry collection is truly beautiful and elegant in the shop, Ramji Sunar.
Right.
And now it's in trend also. Even in our government offices,
Yeah.
now on a Friday, they are supposed to wear the traditional attire.
Ethnic Fridays.
Yeah. Okay. So, to match up with those attire, you have a huge and lovely collection in Ramji Sunar. You can always go and visit.
Right.
It's in West Point Mall, Gangtok.
Mm-hmm.
And these days, traditional attire is always in trend. Also, even the student, even the college
Yeah.
going, the youngsters, they love to wear, the fusion style, fusion
Yes,
style.
yes.
Even I sometimes in the weddings, I wear those, butia
All of us
collection.
love that,
Yes,
yes.
butias,
Right.
that kuchen bakus, and sometimes with pants. Even I have, stitched lot and lot. And with that, recently I have made one stone wala in Ramji Sunar.
Okay.
I made one stone wala also.
Mm-hmm.
And that's very outgoing and वो सबके साथ मैच होता है इवन
Yes.
वो
It
इसके
suits
साथ
the
suits
Purpose.
yes
of
with
any
all
kind of
occasion
wedding.
yes and अभी तो traditional jewelry carries emotional and cultural vibes for all the families
Yes.
and I think ये जो कंठा जो है हमारा नेपाली का कंठा रेड वाइट
हाँ.
ग्रीन में अवेलेबल है
Yes.
पहले तो हमारा रेड खाली मिलता था कंठा
हाँ.
जो बोलते थे एंड अभी वो चारों कलर में अवेलेबल
Available
है
है.
even I have two colors I have green and no I have red and black and recently I had a wedding I had to attend one wedding my own sister's wedding and वहाँ पे एक रानी हार दिया था जो अवेलेबल है रामजी सुनार में and it was
ये
so
किस colour का
beautiful
था?
red color में it's a bridal one
Right, right.
so it's so attractive and the finishing is so fine I'm telling you कि gold का मुकाबला nobody will tell you it is this I mean the electroforming वो electroforming था
हाँ.
Ramji Sunar is focused on that electroforming
Mainly.
yeah mainly focused on that so Rani Har मैंने order दिया था it was so precise जो the finishing and everything the detailing
Exquisite.
yes and everybody in Assam the wedding was in Assam and the reception was there Bengali marriage with a
Yeah.
Nepali bride it was so everybody liked the
Jewelry collection.
jewelry collection the traditional one
Wow.
from here from Sikkim so
Wow.
I would suggest everybody to be extra मंगल सूत्र ये सब तो मतलब चलता रहता है
Exactly.
but these ones to
These
take it
will-
abroad also
Yeah.
it's fine
Sometimes statement pieces are really in fashion.
yes and I really thank Mr. Ramji Sunar I mean Kamalji to he has even other shops में भी मिलता है ये सब चीज लेकिन
Yes.
उसका जो detailing जो fine
Wow,
detailing
बहुत
जो है
सुंदर.
it's amazing
Right, ma'am. Thank you. So, ma'am, you introduced yourself as HR professional who is in the hospitality sector for a long time. So, on a daily basis, what kind of jewelry do you prefer?
on a daily basis हम लोग तो ऑफिस वेयर ज़्यादातर सूट्स पहनते हैं
Business formals.
बिजनेस फॉर्मल्स टुडे आई एम नॉट विद फॉर्मल्स दो बट वहाँ पे मैंने देखा कि अप्रैल से दे आर सेलिंग very light gold jewelry
Okay.
as we can carry it anywhere you go also even in offices very light ones with stones with different kind of stones turquoise ho ya ruby ho ya panna ho
Right,
emerald
right.
and even those butia ka wo jo khao hota hai na marriages mein
Yes, yes.
now they have lovely collection for that
In different
marriages.
colours.
yes even now हमको अभी वो बनाना पड़े तो उसका खाओ का वो ट्रेडिशनल एक खाओ जो होता है उसका 10 to 15 lakhs पड़ता है with the moti and all with the pearl and all it is but वहाँ पे उसका कलेक्शन ह्यूज कलेक्शन वहाँ पे अभी वो लाया है and I've seen there in the shop कि ladies बुटिया ladies in the wedding time they buy it's I think 80,000 60,000 90,000 में मिल जाता है वहाँ पे अभी because I myself witnessed that and he has lovely collection of cow also and daily wear में तो he has wide rings तो wide range में है वहाँ पे
Yes.
girls
Rings, pendants, or maybe just tops.
tops and even the students they can offered to buy. वो कलेक्शन है उसके पास.
Nice, ma'am. So, ma'am, one last question. We would also like to know why you would love to go back to Ramji Sonar Jewelers over and over again. What is that one thing about Ramji Sonar that really makes you feel emotional, or you want to go back again to the same place to buy jewelry?
To tell you the truth honestly, मैं ज्वेलरी, आई एम फॉन्ड ऑफ बाइंग ज्वेलरी, तो है ही है, गर्ल्स तो दे आर वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ ज्वेलरी, पैसा हो या ना हो. लेकिन वहाँ का जो एटमोसफियर है, आई विल नॉट टेल यू, पर्सनली मत लेना इसको. कोई भी जो भी शॉप में गोल्ड ज्वेलरी हो या सिल्वर ज्वेलरी शॉप हो, कोई भी एमडी या प्रोप्राइटर नहीं दिखाई पड़ता है. बट इन दिस शॉप the owner, the proprietor himself, attends the guest or the customer personally, and he gives a warm welcome, gives a smile. The way he talks to the customers, he's so humble person, Mr. Kamalji. And even we girls, we normally bargain. जब भी हम bargain करते हैं, वो स्माइल करके वो उसको दाम को भी घटा देते हैं. एंड वी फील सो हैप्पी, क्योंकि गर्ल्स तो बार्गेनिंग करने में माहिर होते हैं ना, तो जहाँ पे भी जाते हैं हम लोग तो बार्गेनिंग करते ही हैं. लेकिन गोल्ड शॉप में थोड़ा सा हम लोगों को वी फील ऑकवर्ड टू बार्गेन, बट इन हिज शॉप वी आर सो फ्री टू टॉक, एंड even the staff, they're so welcoming. And whenever I go, I enter the shop, everyone gives me a warm welcome, and I'm so proud to be a Sikkimese that कि एक हमारा सिक्किम में इतना बड़ा शॉप आया है. हमारा वेस्ट पॉइंट मॉल में एक ये हमारा ड्रीम कम ट्रू जैसा हुआ है, क्योंकि we had to go all the way to Delhi, or we had to go to Siliguri to buy such collection. But अभी all the way from Dubai आया है, imported items भी उसके पास है, arrangement है. So I'm very lucky woman.
Yes.